Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. I'm Chris with Chris Tech Tips. We've got a 2012 Victory Cross Country. Now this thing is super clean, super sweet. Got a custom paint job on it, quite a few custom items. On this video, we're just gonna do a basic service, oil and filter, show you how to do that, and just kind of a walk around here because this bike is so sick. I would definitely rock one of these things. They are super stable. As you can see in that video, well easy to drift, tons of power. You can just hold these things wide open, hit the rev limiter. These motors are bulletproof and lots of torque and lots of horsepower. So that being said, let's get into it. All right, we're gonna go ahead and change the oil, and I went ahead and purchased a Victory oil change kit. And at the time of filming, this was $62. Comes with your oil and filter. All right, let's go ahead and change that oil. Right behind the left foot peg, there is a 6mm Allen bolt. And it's got a copper crush washer on it. It might be silver actually. That is the drain bolt, and I've gone ahead and removed that. And actually, the thing to know is you want to run the bike for a couple minutes, get the motor or the engine oil warm. That way it drains out through the motor faster, and you make sure you get all of it out. Also, another thing to note is I recommend to use the OEM oils and filters. Victory sells an oil change kit that comes pretty much model specific, so it comes with the correct amount of oil. This one in particular come with 4.5 quarts, and it also comes with your oil filter and all your new crush washers for your drain bolt. Also, I usually have a regular drain pan. It's a little too tall. This bike sits pretty low, so what I've done is I just cut out the front part of this old oil container, which you can see slides underneath the bike really nice and easy. Okay, let's get this oil filter installed. I always like to put the date on the outside of the filter. Just a quick and easy glance to tell when you last serviced the bike. Go ahead and lock that down as tight as you can with your wrist. Then grab your new copper crush washer for your drain bolt. Then we'll go ahead and reinstall the drain bolt. Okay, just doing a quick cleanup. Get that oil off my lift. That way when I roll this bike off, I don't have the bike slip off or anything. Okay, you'll see right here the oil fill is on the right side. Go ahead and pull the dipstick out. You want to use a nice long funnel to get in there. That way you don't drip any oil all over these nice chrome pipes. Just keep repeating. This particular model takes 4.5 quarts. Okay, let's go ahead and wipe the dipstick clean. We'll stick it in there just to get a quick read. Yeah, that looks great. And we'll go ahead and start this baby up, make sure the oil is circulating, and then we'll double check our oil level. Now after the bike's been running, we'll go ahead, let the bike cool for a minute, and then double check the oil level. All right, thanks for watching. I'm Chris with Chris Tech Tips. See you, bye. Thanks again for watching. Make sure to give me a thumbs up and definitely smash that subscribe button. Also like to give a huge shout out to my wife Susan for just all of her help and just pushing me through and getting this video done.